Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the Trader. This is Marie. Let's see what opportunities we find in this market today. We have a couple things popping up, like Marie just mentioned, Fubo, BBAI, MVO. So Nvidia is actually the number fourth one on my list. I guess
For volume?
yeah, in your case it should be somewhere lower, I guess.
Oh, Arval, it's
No, actual volume, like for my
yeah, for Arval, that's impossible. Okay, so Arval doesn't even show up in my top 20. Okay, let's see where you show up in volume. That's incredible. How is that possible?
Yeah, it's normal because you are filtering by volume, by Arvol, not by
Okay,
volume.
number
That's why I
5.
say by volume. Mine is number 5.
Yeah, me too. In
Number
volume
4.
only.
Number 4.
Me, it's number 5. I've got Wolf.
Okay.
That's number 2.
Okay. Perfect. So, yeah, and I'm trying to see. Do we have any news today?
That's a good idea.
No. Very light there. Mussolini is gonna. It has speech at 10:20. But it doesn't look like if it's a number that is gonna be moving. Yeah, if it's a speech that is gonna be moving anything.
Okay.
So yeah. So what are you interested in for today? Like what?
How are
what
you, Davey, today?
Doing pretty good.
It's
What about you?
Friday?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Friday finally. Yeah,
Yeah, I'm doing pretty good too. It's Friday.
nice, nice. Yeah, like yeah, it's first week coming back to work, and I guess it have been tough. So yeah, we're gonna
Well,
see.
no kidding.
Let's see how we do.
You guys had such a busy vacation.
Yeah, and like I asked this weekend to be quiet. We have a little like party with a couple friends.
Oh,
It's gonna
nice.
be Saturday, but Sunday I say, hey, let's do nothing. Stay quiet, and that's the plan. So
I like that. I like that.
Yeah. so did you see SPY is still quite low compared to what it was? It's
Still above the PCL yesterday, though.
yeah, that's a low bar I think, but yeah.
Hey?
That bar is quite low because it went down a lot yesterday. So, well, yeah, let's see if we hold that.
Yeah, well
for
said.
good.
Very good point.
Hey, I didn't put it on my whiteboard. Like,
Oh, your win!
I won
Yeah,
it,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. You had a win
So-
there.
yeah. So, what do I want to look here? NVDA. I don't know. I kind of don't like the way those things are looking like. Like stocks are looking weird, and
Mm-hmm.
today it's a 8. It's not a triple witching day, so it's not even a witching day. So, what about Tesla? Tesla is doing okay. 320 right now. Holding the 320. I see it went to 322 yesterday, but the day before it went to 322.90. So Tesla a little bit rangy there for the last day and a half or day. So I see your football like though we have a lot of like volume. It have been setting off, unable to hold the VWAP. I guess that's gonna if it's gonna be alone at any point, it's gonna be quite violent move. But I'm pretty sure that they report earnings, and that's why they are moving.
You think so?
Yeah, exactly that. They beat earnings.
And?
Yeah, they had a surprise of about 35%, which is 0.011 cents on the earnings instead of negative 0.2. And the revenue it was a surprise of 3.52%, and that surprise was about 12.92 million
Wow.
added to the revenue. So The other one is BBAI, but I don't know if BBAI will report the 11. So BBAI, coming big day for BBAI there probably. As they have been getting some contracts to government and things like that. So yeah. Then we have MVO that we already knew that I reported a couple days ago. INTC also report before yesterday, but INTC, what are you looking at INTC like? Are you even looking at INTC?
Okay, so INTC. It's been really, really staying at that level. We still have the positions at 1950. You know, I've been trying to get it at 1950 all week. If we're accumulating those positions, it's close to the highest one. We've got the 1970 that's probably like me that's front running it because holy cannoli, it's never gone there. What I don't like is the range. So when we're looking at INTC, it's got a range of 1970 to about 20. So people are really, really agreeing that this is a good price. So that's why I'm not too interested in INTC right now. INTC needs to be like practically have an SSR bounce at 1950, and then it will rally for at least maybe $1.50, $2. But right now, no, not interested.
Okay, understood.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, it makes total sense. So yeah. Nvidia is looking quite long. I'm not sure about that, but do you look at it like that?
Okay, let me go see that. Yeah, no, I don't see. Okay, wait, let me go with volume again and go find Nvidia. That's number 2. No, it's dropping. Number 5. Okay, so. Could be rejecting the VWAP. We'll see. 183 is real.
Like we have been rejecting the VWAP quite well right now.
Yeah.
And
when we're looking at look at the RSI and the RSI how it's popping, it should reach the top at the VWAP. Do you know what I mean?
yeah.
There doesn't seem to be enough to be pulling through.
But I see like and there we go with the talking about those things. Like I see a lot of participation above 82, up to 84, up to 85, and I'm talking hundreds to 500 lots. So that's why I probably will be looking long at 180. Let's see.
Okay.
And but I have not much ideas either. Like I mean, it's
I'm gonna get out.
Ionic.
Yep. Thank you. I'm up. If I'm looking at the tape, I'm looking the RSI. Big volume candle didn't move anything. Everything's together. I don't like how it's looking. We'll see. Hey, maybe I'll miss, but. So, right now, you're looking at Nvidia. It really doesn't look interesting. What are you looking at?
Probably 180.
180 long? That's a far.
Yeah, I know, but
181 is bigger.
but I think it's gonna get crushed.
I see it so short right now. We'll see how the grain of sand are going to participate, but right now we've got 2 minutes.
And I see that they like what the way I see is the sellers are not wanting to give their shares away at that price.
Mm-hmm.
So PLTR is popping up right now in case that you are watching it. Like
Oh, okay.
PLTR really popping up. RKLB is also that
I
looks
was
like one
just-
of your tickets.
Absolutely. I like the way it looks right now. I was looking at it before, but couldn't see anything at the pullback to be coming in. So right now, 46.50, but that's like a whole dollar to pull in. We'll try it. I've got one for Wolf as well at 513. I think it went without. It's still not pulling back at 513. We'll see, because holy cannoli does it look bullish.
I have a little order for PLTR as well.
Where is PLTR? And PLTR is what?
I'm looking short
At 85?
at 86.
Okay. Yeah, I see it. I see it.
87 is right there too, but
Mm-hmm. Ten seconds.
have fun.
Have fun.
Okay, I'm gonna go out of the way on the PLTR.
Okay.
I think I'm wrong. Yeah, I got out.
Okay.
I didn't get out. I canceled my order. And I have an order now to get 85.
Okay. So now I've got my wolf. Am I able to survive?
So I got 85 on PLTR as a loan.
Okay.
NVDA is coming toward me, but I want to just look at the tape while it's doing that. So NVDA. Yeah, my 180 seems to be correct.
So SPY is popping. Okay, so BBAI and Wolf are both printing. Wolf is a little slower.
BDA is 80 the price, that makes sense. So let's look at that print on PLTR. I think I want to add more to PLTR probably. and I probably miss the opportunity to add. What are you trading, Marie?
Wolf and BBAI.
Okay.
Okay, so SPY's pulling back.
I'm gonna get some Nvidia right there apparently.
Good job on your PLTR.
Let's see let's see how it does. I like the tape a lot on PLTR today.
Mm-hmm.
At least when I say I like it, it's for the long normally because we have this condition where we see buying as a good thing and selling as a bad thing. Not as a bad thing, but like as a more negative thing for the stock because it will drive the price down. Come on, you can do a higher high. I know. There we go. So
Good job.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
very slow way to begin the day, but hey, it's,
Nice, nice.
I don't know. I have the suspicions that Nvidia is a short, but I have no data to support that. I haven't read the tape. I haven't done anything. So Nvidia right now have a really kind of heavy ask. I would say. Let's see. Ask. It's going through easily, but then, okay, 23, 20. I want to see the print at the bid, not the ask. It's going higher and higher, so I think that they feel a little bit muted. Mm-hmm. Okay. I short a little bit of Nvidia right there.
Okay.
So I say I have the suspicion that this is a short,
Mm.
and
I would have to agree with you.
okay, moving higher. Mm-hmm. Why is that 82 getting a little bit freaky?
The 82 is getting freaky.
Yeah. Okay, let's read that print. I say I want to see the bid. The bid is 70. Yeah, okay. Now we're talking. That's what I was expecting. I feel so weird because I feel like somebody turned on a machine on this, but there we go. Push it higher. There we go. Going higher, higher. A lot of white print, and then yeah, that's it. It's a short. It is a short. I just have to be patient.
You got 182?
My average price is 181.64.
Oh, good job.
I could add more, but I won't add because I don't want to be doing what I did yesterday wrong. So
Incredible for PLTR.
yeah. It's crazy, man, the way that thing went up. AMD is popping up quite well. Okay, Nvidia, if it goes a little bit higher from there, I'm gonna be killing it.
So Spy is really popping.
I'm gonna
Could have another dollar to go for Spy.
So let's see. I have a little order to add some to PLTR if he does that. So I'm glad I add to Nvidia. I think I'm right in there. So let's look at the volume instead of talking crap, you know. Like, okay, the volume is stepping in a little bit better.
So right now I've got Roadblock and I've got Fubo. Fubo's doing well, but Roadblock, it initiated and look at the candle. Initiated my order and just went through it. So now I'm seeing if I cannot average in, have a better price. Because I believe this can have, and it found some buyers at 46.50. Wow, Spy's just going kaboom.
Yeah, and beat up with it too. Holy crap, Tesla is 2% up. Yeah, that thing seems to be going lower. Your RKLB. BL.
Spy is just going kaboom.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on, so I'm just gonna go out of NVDA. I'm gonna try to do it a little
There's
bit.
no news.
Yeah, like
Did somebody speak?
that's the point, we don't know. So NVDA, as I say, like I don't think it's gonna go higher than 183. That's 30 cents above. I can handle that 30 cents above, but like, do I want to? If it sink a bit, I'm gonna sell it, even if I try to get it later. Read the tape on PLT on NVIDIA, my guy. Because that's what you need to do. Yeah, it can go higher. But it's in trouble already, so okay. Media seems to be unable to reprint the 8050. That's good. So that's good for me. So, but in PLTR, I think I'm gonna take a. That PLTR is explosive. I can do what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna add right there. I know it's getting flushy. There we go. Got it. So I got some more on Palantir.
Okay.
And I'm breaking even on Palantir. Is that correct? Yes, that's correct.
I'm trying something. This is a test, but I really want to try something. Yeah. To see if you get an SSR bounce. And it should be very soon.
In which one?
Okay. And right.
In which one are you?
No, a reversion on roadblock. No, the tape's not. The grain of sands that are participating are flipping. Because I'm saying if it bounces off the PCL, ooh doggy. You know when we were talking? Mm-mm. Yeah. Watch this. No. It's right there. Really, I've waited that long, so let's see. They're participating to maybe another $1 or so. You can't get lower than that. Guess what, Davey? It can!
Hi, puppy.
Oh my god.
That's a wrong statement for sure.
Oh, that's hilarious. Okay.
So how do I feel about this one? Volume is it like is volume is okay. Yeah, my price is okay as well, so that's a good thing that it's okay. So. Dun, 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 dun.
Wow. SPY is just going kaboom.
Yeah.
What are you trading, DV?
I have Nvidia and I have PLTR. PLTR seems to be wanting to go lower,
Okay.
but the one where I have my bets on is on because in PLTR I'm breaking even already, but in Nvidia I have I think it's bigger than I have to come down in my opinion. So I'm just waiting for it to really flush. But like right now, yeah, heavy bid getting print and like it's doing okay for the loan, but a little bit like the same thing that we were saying yesterday with AMD. That bid doesn't look like, and I have a better price today. Well, is that true? I don't necessarily true, but is it true? It's just less volatile, yeah. Yeah, it's a better price. It's a better price. Like in AMD, I was really off. And yeah, it's just a matter of let it go. If he's one, like yeah, like there we go. That's accelerating dangerously toward the downside. So yeah, like I believe in the short term Nvidia, so I just gonna hold it and see what it does. Trying to read the print on PLTR. I have my order to be all out on PLTR already,
Okay.
but it's at 88.
88?
Yeah, at 188 I want to be all out or at break even, either. But Nvidia is getting very flushy, and when Nvidia is getting flushy, I see that PLTR is also losing strength. So there we go. PLTR is coming down. Nvidia is coming down. I'm gonna keep an eye on the tape on PLTR and on Nvidia because like right now there was a nice flush in there. So I wanna see if he was all that what he had to sell or if he's so the bid is strongish right now after that sell, which makes sense. For how long is it gonna be strong? It's not that strong right now. This is showing some weakness, so we're gonna keep it there quiet and let's see what it wants to do. PLTR is going to get me out. That's a mistake to hold it for longer, but it's okay. I am breaking even there. There is no reason for me to freak out about that one. And the tape is not looking bearish on PLTR, in my opinion. Like the tape is looking okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that tape on PLTR is looking way better than on Nvidia. Like there is a buyer at 86, and that's my actual price, 86.
Okay.
So I'm gonna be coming out with him if he get me there, but like, hopefully he doesn't get there. So. Yeah, Nvidia did have more to sell, and they are selling more, so that's good. And the market is strong in general.
I agree.
Like a spike keep punching up.
It's a good $4, right? Above PCL. Though, like you mentioned nicely yesterday, is this morning, is that it gave it a lot
Yeah.
right? It gave away a lot yesterday.
So for PLTR, anybody watching there, I'm just gonna be all out. I like the trade, and I think it can go to 188. But at 188, I will be looking short. So it's better to take a little money there than to not take anything.
Okay,
That was what I say. If it's a mistake holding, now it pop up. Let's be out.
that makes sense.
And then Nvidia, this one is the one I'm gonna be waiting for a move. Like, I don't see why I wouldn't go short on PLTR at 188.
Okay,
And like, I'm gonna take a look again at that, and like 88.50, 88. Yeah, I don't see right now why I wouldn't go short 88. So I'm gonna drop off another at 88,
okay,
and that will be PLTR 188 short. Let's see if we get there. The stock is strong. Don't get me wrong. Like I am, that's the counter trend today.
okay.
But I already did some in the long. I did okay in the long. So, and yeah, keep reading the tape, my guy, on NVDA, because that's the one that is gonna be good or bad for your day. Yeah, like in PLTR, and it's like I had little share, so it's that tape is stalling right there at that 182.10, 182. Yeah, this keep being the same thing to me, so I just gonna hold it very patiently, and let's see what he wants to do at the end. Does anybody know what Tesla is doing?
No,
3.1% up.
no.
This thing is back to 334, 333. Just $10 in a blink of an eye. Killing me softly with love. Killing me softly with this song. Killing me softly with this song. With this song. Softly. Anybody watch the video like, what the heck? The spice above the price we were talking yesterday.
Okay,
It's printing. We have no red candles in the 5 minute since before the open. So why are you going short, my guy? Well, because I think I'm right. Sooner or later, it will get dumped. And my target on Nvidia is around 81. Well, that's not in there. It went there already. 81, probably 181. Is that correct? Yes, it is. You are trading
I'm just
RKLB.
trying to. I'm testing something and it's working. And I like it. I like what I see right now.
It's a bit contradicted the tape right now for me on Nvidia.
On Nvidia?
Yeah, because it is trying to go higher,
Mm-hmm.
and like that tape is contradicted. Like the print. What is the print doing? I don't trust the print. Like, I mean, the print doesn't make me trust the long. Though we say wanna go to 183. So if you want to go to 183, like, I shouldn't be shorting it, but talk to the tape. Buying 82 with not enough sizes. So I think you have to go down. Oui, patron.
They're going to someone to see if there's news.
Yeah, like, just like look at SPY. This is the 1 minute, but look at the 5 minute. The first red candle is, but that's just, yeah.
Wow.
This is pre-market here.
Mm-hmm.
No red candle.
Right?
Like, what the heck?
Asshole.
And in this type of government, we have learned that when you see people buying in front, you step out of their way, you know? Because
Well-
then at launch, tariff are gonna be paused for another country, and then it's gonna be boom against you. It's like, so, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So right now there are some news coming out. Is that U.S. and Russia
Mm-hmm.
are planning a. I don't know how they're doing it without Zelensky there, but U.S. and Russia are planning a deal to cease the war without Zelensky there, with Russia getting significant gains.
What will happen if you will be like an insider and you say to all your friends, buy today because what I'm gonna say in the media is gonna push the market up?
If they get
And
caught
then,
though.
and no, what will happen if you say that to your friends and then the opposite happen? Could you imagine that? That will be catastrophic because of the way,
Oh,
like they buy blindly, like we just bought.
Okay, 636 seems to be a possible retest for SPY.
Oh my goodness. Una piedra en el camino me
Sí.
enseñó que mi destino. We need a little break.
No, no, no.
Ah, okay.
No, I like that song.
Era rodar y rodar. Yo sé bien que no me quisiste, pero vas a estar muy triste cuando te toque rodar. Tararán, tan, tan. Con dinero y sin dinero hago siempre lo que quiero y mi palabra es la ley. No tengo tronos ni reina, ni nadie que me comprenda, pero sigo siendo el rey. Tararán, tan, tan. Are you ready to watch water boil?
That's funny. Do you think that Lila's sleeping?
Mm-mm. We're gonna be back in a bit. All right, we are back. any interesting trade, Marie, that you would like to share with us?
No. Well, I had my Ionic that printed, which was nice. When I opened, this is so interesting. Even if I can't wait to review this. Have to
Did you
be
see Ionic?
close. What? Look at that, eh? I could have kept it. That would have been beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Look at Spy. Who's going? What are you reading, David? The tape?
Right,
Me
right
too.
now I'm looking at the tape, but like right before you ask, I wasn't. I was just looking at the chart because
Wow, eh? 636 is really good, really strong for Spy.
mm-hmm.
But we seem to have found some.
gonna look for something interesting now. Let's see if ever is out. So right now, like, let's say I have this trade, and like, I know it can go 83. That's a for sure. It can go 83. So I have to pick, because there is between, is the fight is between 81 and 83. So I am about half, but I like the ratio is a little bit off in that one. So I can probably just go all out and refill it at 83.
Okay.
Or I can read the tape and check what is gonna be coming first. Like, I was betting on the 81 before, like it was going to get to 81, like 82, 81, 00 before. But right now, somebody's buying the crap out of it, even if it's going like crap. So, like, I mean, yeah, sorry about too many.
Too many crapping.
Yeah. What I'm saying, though the stock is weak, like, and is clearly weak, or in consolidation, whatever. Well, weak, yeah, it is weak. So somebody's buying it at 180, 180. So 180, 180, 182 as well. So right now, if I say I think it's gonna go down, I can hold it, but because if it's weak at 182, let's say, what are the chances that the strength really come at the 81? Like, that's kind of close-ish, but let's see. Yeah, right now it's buying more and more, and it's okay. Kind of breaking the trend or making people believe so. You are KLB yet?
Yeah. This is super interesting.
La, 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 la.
Oh yeah. So long to have a double bottom. Okay. What you doing to? Oh, me too, eh? It's slow.
Yeah, yeah, it's very slow. So we have to remember that 182.50 was the price that gave trouble to Nvidia previously. Like tried to reach there, and the seller jump on and say, "No, you are not getting there." Yeah, buying 82, 32 right now. Didn't hold, went below, and
Okay.
take a little break.
Yes, please.
We're gonna be back in a bit. Right, we're back.
Holy smoke. What a pull back for Huber. Huber!
Huba.
Huber.
So we are getting Palantir very soon. Yes, they are.
188?
Yeah. So I'm gonna be all out of Nvidia. But I don't think it's gonna print more than 80 to 50. It's just like
SPY seems to. Yeah. Did he get you at 188? No, yet?
PLTR?
Yeah?
No.
By
I am
the
looking
penny?
at it. I'm staring at it. Like I know it's looking like ABCD pattern there, but like humor me.
Do you like the new coffee?
I was going to tell you that coffee tastes very good. The big guy on Nvidia is at 182.50 right now. I know there is a bigger one at 182.83.00,
Okay.
but the 182.50 is not letting it go anywhere. It's saying like, nope, you don't pass from
That's
here.
it, that's all.
Yeah, like he let it go a little bit, but then like little by little, probably he enticed enough people to short from there that they are doing the job for him. And
Okay.
Like I remember the first time that I went there today, he was like, I say, I'm. It looks like if he doesn't want to print again 50, and he didn't print it all the way down, but like now, if he was not like now, he gains some strength toward the hop side. If the seller is able to push it back down, that probably will be enough for you to not come back to that. Look at the 17, buying the 17, 80 to 17, push it a couple cents above, then 5 cents down. So yeah, that's how it goes. Then like this, by 1 cent, I didn't get PLTR.
1 cent.
1 cent.
It has to go there. Isn't that position still there?
I think he will go there. I think so, but like right now I print a little volume here that is saying that it's probably gonna go down before going there, because that volume really spiked on the when he went to the 80s. A bunch of sellers just jump on it, and to watch the tape on Nvidia today have been one of the most boring thing I have done.
Now do you know why I don't?
Yeah, but it's not every day like that. It's
No,
like,
you're right.
I have
It's
a long
not
time
every
without
day.
saying that. Like,
Okay, did we finally? Did we finally? I think we did. Okay, so you need to make a new local high for it to happen now. Okay, okay. Let's see how the tape is reacting to that. Yeah. You're flipping.
yeah, it's holding the bid quite well there. The tape is changing on Nvidia.
Oh, to the low.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Yeah,
I know when we read the tape, we're really focused, right?
I get myself out of there. So
Well, oh, why get yourself out of NVIDIA?
yeah. Um, this is the play.
Hmm?
Wait for video. Yeah, that's that. I'm gonna take that. Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. At least this. What's up? You're late. You're super late.
Hola, Blary.
Yeah, let's see if I get.
Well, it's not like she's missing anything.
No, I know, but notice that I am trying to get Nvidia long a 182 30, but tight stop loss for just one reason. Like there we go. No, it doesn't want to get me in, but like they probably will get me. There could be a little flush, but that flush shouldn't pass from 182.20. Come on. That tape change. That tape is already flip.
It's already flipping?
It didn't do flippy. It flipped for good. Now the 52, the 50 is gonna get the crush, just like that. Like now he's selling a lot. That's why I expected to go to 30 probably. 51, 52. $53, $54, and he's selling a lot, like a lot. I have to say, I had enough time to, when I saw the action going on, like, though I put my order late, I saw the action with enough time that I was able to get that price. But I hesitate. Shake them out, get me in, and let's print. Beautiful tape. There we go. There we go. We are coming down. Okay. If I would like, I can get the 50 and I'm still supposed to be able to survive. Come on, be patient. Just be patient. There is no patient. It will go through now.
They what?
That's very interesting, man. Like, I mean, it's
Are you getting good information?
yes, it's like I think the information is very reliable.
Mm-hmm. I agree. Okay, so Spy's interacting with the 636. So what I do like about this is they're bidding higher and higher.
There we go. There we go.
Okay. 88's on deck. Okay, 98.
So I got the entry. Now it's printing lower. Got me out, but I want it back. And let's get into this boat. Okay, if I don't survive that, that's okay. That would be the change my mind. The seller at 50, like 50, 82.50, still have a lot of influence on.
So Spy is pulling back to the view, possibly. Okay. So Spy is,
Really tanking right now.
yeah, but it's at the VWAP. We'll see what's going to happen there. RSI, we found a lot of sellers for Spy.
ATR is let's see on that one. $40, okay. 40 cents. Anything here?
Super boring. But it's not necessarily boring. What I'm trying to do here is I'm looking at the stock, Archibia Rocket Lab, and it has been somewhat interesting, but it has been very slow.
Hey. Like everything else?
Yeah.
We
Would you eat 17 eggs for breakfast?
There is a funny story about my dad that one time eat 28.
28 eggs for breakfast?
Mm-hmm.
Was there a competition?
Yes, there was.
Ah, okay. Did he win?
Yeah.
He did?
Yeah, it was between him and a friend that he had. Like, it's, yeah. I was too small. Like, I don't. I wasn't there. I just hear the story. And they eat 30. Like not the same day. But that was another day. He ate 36 oranges.
Who?
My
His
dad.
friend?
My dad.
Your dad?
In competition with his friends. It's like. But yeah, no, like it's not normal, I guess. Like who eats 17? Okay, I Sharif.
You know you're traitors.
Yeah. I could personally eat a lot of eggs, like because I like them, like boiled eggs. Like if I eat them like a snack, I think I can eat a lot. Not that amount for sure, but it's enjoyable. It tastes good.
I like deviled eggs.
What are those devil eggs? The one that have hot sauce on it?
Mm. The one that you boil, you take the inside out, you whip it with mayonnaise, paprika, some
Mm-hmm.
spices, and then you restuff them.
Yeah. I didn't know how they were called.
Deviled eggs. Yeah, I
So-
like deviled. And scrambled eggs.
Nice. Scrambled eggs, I like for example, Rita now she prepare a lot with a lot of veggies, like that. I like
Oh, see, I like that. Western.
yeah.
We
Like,
call them Western.
it's actually veggies with a little bit of eggs. So,
Yeah, Western omelets.
and
I like Western.
especially with a lot of tomatoes, I like.
The tomatoes, I don't like it in. I like it beside it. Because it adds too much liquid.
So I have a cool observation here, but at the
Okay.
same time,
Wow.
you okay?
Sorry. Bounce of the significant bounce of the viewer.
So I was plugged to the tape, literally plugged to the tape here. Like I mean, I read this tape. I remember anybody watching. I was short, and I say the way this tape is looking now, it's not that the tape flipped for a bit. The tape really flip. Like I mean, it flip at the specific price of 182.30 with 30 cents. So when it flip, I saw it playing here and there, like it's going like up and down. So the relevance of whatever I want to say here is for me, for myself, because like let's say I am giving it a 1 ATR stop loss, and like that's in a 5 minutes, so it will be like 40 cents stop loss, and I'm a bit uncomfortable with the stop loss for the size that I have right now on that thing, but like because it's not big, but it's decent. I mean, like, but this tray specifically, I was able to say this doesn't have to have a stop loss bigger than 20 cents, let's say. And I I get stop out here. Like that's not the price I want. I was chasing it here. I got out. Chase it here again. Got out. But if I just wait for the price, which was 130 here, like 130, like let's say 2 cents below, I will get filled by the penny. Like like
Look at that.
we are saying here that I noticed that the tape flip around here. This time frame. He come and fight for it. And then I'm convinced here, like here I flip, here I'm convinced that it flip. I get out, and I say this is the price I want to get, but I say there is no way that it's gonna go there because like the 40, like the 40 was loading up like really heavy in front of it, right here. Like they were trying to hold there, it couldn't. It went to the 30, and I say it's so good that I don't wanna miss it there. Like I am so convinced of what happened here and here that I say I'm gonna go there and I won't even put a stop loss. Like I just gonna look at the thing, and if it pass 40 cents against me, because that's the ATR that I am seeing, I'm gonna be out. But look how like so. What is the learning of this thing? And it's not learning. It's maybe
It
adjustments.
is going to go there.
It's maybe adjustments for you to know, like, hey, in this case, you can not have it so big stop loss and like profit still from it, like. So like 182, 180.
Well, you front ran it, but then you were able to add, right?
No, I didn't add. Like I full front run it here. He stopped me out with 15 cents stop loss.
Oh, okay.
Then
But
I-
you went back in,
And then I went back.
and then
yeah.
you added.
Yeah,
Okay.
each one was an exit, complete exit. Like I got out.
Okay.
But what I'm saying is like the reliability that I see on the tape at that 182.30 here. Probably we don't see that every day, or we are not patient enough to see that every day. But how I am so certain that was the good bounce, like I feel certain about that being the good bounce, and like how can we repeat that more and more? Like right now you see 83.
Well, by looking at the tape, right? You
Yeah,
were
for
really
sure.
good.
That's the way to do that. Looking at the tape, but so I'm gonna take half of
The tape tells us a story.
at that price, and I'm gonna leave the rest for whatever it wants to do. So I'm gonna take half once it print. There again, if ever it prints, like because this was a short. So, but like let's just stay focused on the tape, like. But it's so interesting because it's like the seller at 182.50 was so big that, let's say, how did I know that it was going to get rolled over? Like, well, I know because of the consistency of the tape. Like the flip was like clear, and I'm just trying to, like, it's breaking my head a little bit because it's like,
Is it really? Or is it reconnecting to what you used to do?
yeah, but like you convinced me so bad that was not the way. So it's like, yeah, we have problem here with that flipping. So
Yeah, because we keep
like
looking
it took
and
me like 2
seeing
years to
new.
convince her that we have to read the tape, and then she convinced me, hey, you know what, it's not that important. Take it here, or take it there.
Yes, but at one point, the market was very dependable. Since Trump,
Ay, papi.
the devil, the levels, the devil.
The devil. Ay.
Yeah.
Wow,
The
what did
levels
devil
were
do?
clear. We were able to get to those levels. They were, we had history. We were able to really depend on that history, the fundamentals. That now it's like hit the mic and whoa, pull back the horses.
Oh my goodness.
We've got somewhat a lopsided head and shoulder on SPY. Okay, so SPY is it going to retest? Wow. Okay. Be careful with the lungs.
Mm-hmm. I'm planning to be probably all out right now. But let's see. I want to see the longevity of this. That bit is not looking good. That I don't like. But I try to recognize the maneuver. I want to see where are you buying back. Definitely not at 83. Mm-mm. Good stories. Oh yeah, yeah.
Such a strong market.
Buying at 20.
Okay, TLTR going back to 188. Well, guess who's guess who's feeding the market? Google.
Who? Google.
Davey,
Yes, sir.
I will have to break a few seconds.
Yeah, just take. We're gonna be back a bit. Right, we are back.
Okay, so Google and Apple are DBL, eh?
And Tesla. Did you see Tesla?
No.
$333.
That's insane. Yeah. Good. I'm just putting levels here. And oh, we got movement.
Yeah. Right, we are back. So, man, PLTR never got me.
No.
Never. Was unable to print 88.
No. Are you kidding? Not even on the second candle.
Nope. No, it never went.
Saki, dude.
By 1 cent. So,
So that amount that was there repelled it.
which was not big.
No, wasn't it? Like,
It
wasn't
was-
it the like a 100 lot?
No, it was more than that, but I can tell you right now. It was 300, 500, almost 600 lot.
Oh well, yeah.
Yeah.
That's enough to repel.
Yeah, especially because the volume is not as high as yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Mm-hmm.
so I canceled the order. I don't want it anymore. think that's how much it lasts.
Pardon?
For NVDA,
Yeah?
that's how much it lasts. I'm gonna be back in a bit. Right, we're back. So reading the tape, I think I don't want to be on NVIDIA anymore. At least not for the long.
You don't think that it's going to be going to 183.50?
I think it will, but like I have doubts because SPY is looking weak. And it is not trying. It is not kind of not holding the 83 as well. I would say like sellers are jumping short there. That's almost for sure. So and whoever was buying it like not there anymore. That's my question there. Is he gonna show up because he's below the 50 moving average? And that's what, because that's what where we were previously. Nope. Or yes.
Oh, did you want to review?
Yes. Okay. So did that print lower than 80? No. Okay, 82, 83. Okay, are you buying the 80s? That's what I was thinking, that he was going to be buying the 80s
Okay.
as usual. Like no, yeah, he got really flushing through from there.
Spice pulling through.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he's buying the 80s, I think. The question is he gonna have enough? No. He's not gonna have enough. The tape is still bullish. That's a for sure. Like if I wanted to go short, in my opinion, it will be from 183.20.
Okay.
But like I missed that. Again, like I am reconnecting with the tape. And like, as you say, and like for me, it's easier to just take it slow because yeah, there we go. It get me out. So now, if he doesn't hold the 50, let's give it a shot at the 50. So I have an order to get the 50. If he doesn't, if he give it away the 50, then I'll be more than happy to be out of that. But in my consideration, it should hold the 50 by the penny. How do I know that? Because the seller that was there, and if he doesn't do it, that means that go short, my guy, go short. So that trade, I don't want it to distract me too much, so I'm gonna left the montage and the main screen on NVIDIA. So let's take a look at all the things. So like yeah, let's wrap it up. Basically, is what I'm trying to say here. For us to wrap it up, what I have to say, there is not much intentions at that 50. Like, yes, it's bouncing, but it's not bouncing the way I would like to see it bouncing. And we have to remember there was a big seller right there. So, or you walk away from there fast, or I walk away from you. Yeah. Coming back to the 50. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So, okay, so probably a little bit of brain dead there. Like that trade should work. I don't want to elaborate too much on it because it's unusual what I am doing with that trade for me. So but yeah, it's dragging a lot of attention from me. So yeah, basically like it's a flat. Like I am like right now, if I liquidate there, I'm totally flat. I can be green by a little bit, but like yeah, let's see. I'm trying to not focus too much in the P&L, focus more in the actual process. So I will qualify today as a good day. Either I finish green. Like yesterday, by the time that we finished here, I was red, but at the end of the day, I was green. So I have, I think I only have red day here Monday probably, and not by a lot. So, but today I was convinced that NVDA was a short. So because I was convinced that NVDA was a short, there we go, it's gonna get me out now. So because I was convinced that Nvidia was a short, I went short here little. Then I survived this. Didn't took any partial here, and then I went out here because the tape really flipped. I chased it a bit. It gave me out twice, but then I say, you know what? The time when I decide to give it the room, it didn't use the room. So here, like I give it like 40 cents, it didn't use even 10. So and yeah, there we go. We are out. So now I want to short that 50, and with a bit more shares probably. Yeah. So let's see if he wants to go back in there. Yeah, if he's not buying, like at the 32, it's gonna be pushed to the 50, but the 50 seems to be the one that really put the line on the sun here. So yeah, so I don't know how to do that. Yeah, perfect. There we go. We're gonna get that we're short. Wrong price, I think. Yeah, wrong price, but it's okay. I should be able to survive. So the ATR is at 38 cents. So let's see. So yeah, so as I say, like basically, like this, I was convinced it was a long from the 182.30, but now I think we're gonna go below that. Like I mean, this is telling you that it was longer in the short side than what it lasted in the long side. Like it was, I was long here for about what 30 minutes, and 1 hour and 30 minutes I was thinking that it was a short because I was reading the tape. So these have more weight on the stock than this, so that's why I'm going short. I should be going short at the 50, but it's good. I wasn't able to get anyways. So like I am expecting this to break down and go back to 181, and I don't see why we wouldn't go there when you have a SPY that is not holding anything. Like a SPY is as bad pretty much. So I took a good trade on PLTR at the open, and yeah, that was a good trade. But I have little shares here, so I went long, took half here, then add again, and then took everything back. So good trade on PLTR. Like yeah, and then let's see what this Nvidia really wants to do. I think it's gonna keep tanking, but yeah. So what about you, Marie? What did you do?
Well,
What did you do?
I opened the day pretty good because I had an overnight with Ionic, so I had 3 hours there. But with Ionic, I got out of my trade, believe it or not, which is absolutely crazy. So I got out of my trade at 40.50. And what did he do after?
Yeah, right.
Right? $1. I would have been able to get $1.
That's why I don't like to go out at those levels. Like when I have my stop loss right there, I say I got the wrong entry. Like I mean,
But that was a beautiful entry for the long at 40.50.
is that you were breaking even there?
No. I just got out before they opened because I was seeing the tape and I said, you know what? This could be volatile because right now it's at the PCL. It's either going to go through or going to go back. But because it was under the PCL and reading the tape, I had more population at the 40 like it is right now. But as soon as the open happened, you could see that the offer was just boom, 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 boom. But I was out of the trade. I know.
I know the feeling.
Right? So I got a little bit of a good there. I traded Wolf. Wolf, I just got out because I was seeing it a possible long at 513, and I just got out at the regular at the 5. At 5, I just saw the tape was populating on the other side, so I said, bye. What happened here is roadblock. Hey, guy. So, roadblock. What I did.
I'm not sure that is that Roblox. Like
No, sorry. I keep saying no. It's Rocket Lab. I keep saying Roblox.
Rocket Lab. It was me
Yeah.
who put that mistake on your head. Like
Yeah, it's Rocket Lab. No.
because
It's
Roblox
me.
is RBLX.
Exactly. So this is Rocket Lab. So Rocket Lab, when I looked at the pop, a nice pop at 50, I said, you know what? The biggest position was at 46.80. So I said, well, let's put an order long at 46.80. Well, let's just continue looking at what it did after that. So what I did is I said, okay, well, what if I de-risk and add as it's going down to see what we're able to do? And let's just say that this little test, my P&L just took a woohoo. But when it did that double bottom, and it was really, I said, okay, hey, if it's there, I'm there. I'm going to be in the trade. I'm going to follow the trade. And I'm going to see how it reacts to the double bottom when I de-risk at when it does pop up and when I improve my price when it does go down. So definitely I was able to get back a whole lot of that loss, which I'm really happy with, because that's what the test was all about. And right now I still have it. I was able to better my price, and now I've got to trade at 45.47, which, remember, I went in at 46.80. So this was kind of what I was doing to see if I was able to stay in the trade, de-risk, and then see what I'm able to do with that price instead of just going out with a terrible, terrible loss. So I like what is happening right now when we are, like I said, you're very aggressive in a position. At the pops, you're selling, you're then buying at the really, really big dips, and to see if you're able to get back some of that loss, which we were able to. So I'm happy with this.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, it was very cool. Very cool to observe. Sadly, probably on the slowest freaking trading.
Yeah. Yes.
Aye. But yeah, you know what? It was very interesting to watch. Still interesting to watch. It's still doing some good things there to catch back on the P&L. So yeah, it was a good observation. Like as we say, good observation day.
Nice. Yeah, like yeah, I guess that's a way to say that, but like yeah, it's very slow. I don't know why, but like we didn't have any numbers, something like that. But like let's say, like,
Oh, you know what? It is a long weekend in Canada, but
is it? Yeah,
it's a long weekend in Canada.
I
Except
didn't know.
Yeah, Monday everybody's off, and in the States as well. A lot of people.
That was last Monday,
No.
and this Monday too.
Was it last Monday?
Yes.
Oh, you're right. You're totally right.
So yeah, like
Holy cannoli.
that's it for today. I hope everybody have a good weekend, and we're gonna see everybody next weekend. Well, everybody's gonna see us every weekend, like every week. Yeah, next week. So I hope everybody have a good day, a good weekend. See you then. Bye.